How to check deleted contacts on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Contact app. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Organize located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down till you find Trash. Simply click on Trash and select the contacts you want to see. You can also recover this by selecting it and then clicking on three dots located on top right and clicking on recover. If not, simply delete forever. From here you can check deleted contacts. This is how to check deleted contacts on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.